A little backstory for those of you that did not know. This is an Injen cold air intake without a shroud that I pulled off of an Audi A6 at the junkyard with a Spectre cone filter on it. So we are going to clean the filter up, paint these black to make it less ugly because I'm anal, and we're gonna finally make this thing sound good. Now what I'm doing right now is I'm taking just some sandpaper and I'm cleaning the rust and everything off this. And I do want to preface that I will be changing this filter out for the Injen one. This is just what I have right now. So this is what we are going to make work. I'm gonna clean it up really good, and it should be okay for now. It's temporary. All right, so while we wait for some of my paint to dry over there, as you can tell, we are going to take the stock airbox off of this so that we can be prepped and ready to put the brand new one on. A clip here for your fuel line, a clip here for this line, and then there is a clamp here, a vacuum line on the back, and then there is a clamp here. I am missing my lower, not missing, I took off my lower portion of my airbox so that I could hear the supercharger. We will be putting that back on because that is where the new filter will lie. Now cleaned the bottom section of the factory airbox inside and out. I'm going to put my secondary air injection hose back where it belongs. And then I'm going to clip this lower section back into its designated spot. The mount is not actually utilized on this one, but it fits in a good spot. And I'm also going to be putting it over top of these fuel lines instead of underneath of them. So we're going to slip this back on. Alright, it took a little bit of finagling, and with the filter that is not correct, it is a tight fit in there, but it is all the way in. Clamp is tight all the way around. I didn't have to do anything with this. Fuel line is now underneath of the intake, which it still moves free. It's not kinked, so nothing to worry about there. The only thing left to do is to start it up and see what she sounds like. All right, listen to this. That is nuts. I did not expect it to be that loud. That is nuts. And I definitely got a lot of throttle response from it. That is crazy. I did not expect that. So obviously, as you can hear, that intake did a lot more than I thought it was going to. That sounds absolutely gnarly. That's crazy. I will say, noticeable amount more throttle response, and it is significantly quicker. I did not expect it to do that at all. But this is the finished product inside the engine bay, all tight and good to go. Kind of wish I hadn't painted some of this stuff, and we will be getting the correct filter on it at some point here soon. But it looks a hell of a lot better in the engine bay than that stock one did, and it sounds absolutely perfect. You guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what mod you would like to see next on the S4. But it definitely sounds just like a Hellcat now, as all of the S4 and S5 owners say. I bought this car specifically for the supercharged engine because it sounds like that. So if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We're definitely gonna be making the car a little bit louder here soon. It does have a full MagnaFlow exhaust catback on it, but it is just not enough. I think we need to get rid of these, either the middle resonators or do full downpipes. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Peace out. Have a great rest of your night.